All right, I'm in the kitchen, so you know what that means. We're learning and eating good at the end of this one. Food is medicine and food is frequency in my kitchen, and I'm here to raise yours. So let's get into this one. This is one of those bowls that just looks simple, but it's doing a lot. Also, summer bodies are created in the kitchen now. I started with 1 can of chickpeas. That's the base. Chickpeas are grounding without being too heavy. They stabilize blood sugar, support digestion, and energetically, they anchor you so all the higher frequency stuff doesn't make you feel spacey. Then I went in with 1 small red onion, diced, 1 jalapeno seeded and diced small. Onion clears stagnation physically and energetically. Jalapeno brings movement, not chaos, and just circulation, heat that wakes things up. I added about ½ a cup of sliced scallions. That's gentle detox support, especially lymphatic, and ½ an English cucumber, diced, which cools everything down. So you've got heat and cooling balancing each other out right away. 2 large celery stalks diced. That's nervous system support. Celery is anti-inflammatory, mineral rich, and honestly under fucking rated. It helps the body let go of excess emotionally and physically. Then some chopped cilantro. You can use parsley, but I had cilantro. And this one matters. Cilantro pulls heavy stuff out, metals, stored junk, energetic residue. It doesn't negotiate, it just clears. So if it tastes like soap to you, your body's saying, I need a detox. For acid, I wanted to use 2 limes, but I only had 1. So I used 1 lime and 1 lemon. And honestly, that balance fucking works because lime is sharp and activating. Lemon is cleansing and clarifying. Together, they brighten things up without overpowering. Then a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, fresh cracked pepper, smoked paprika. Olive oil helps everything absorb. Salt brings the minerals online. Pepper activates digestion. Smoked paprika grounds the whole bowl so it doesn't feel too airy. Air sign. Love smoked paprika. I grated 2 garlic cloves. Garlic is protection. Think vampires. Immune, circulatory, energetic, boundary setting. It does not fucking play. And I'm adding avocado because I have avocado and it belongs in here actually. Healthy fats support, and it makes the whole thing just more satisfying. It's a whole meal in a bowl versus just bean salad. When you look at the bowl, it's mostly green. That's not by accident. Green is heart chakra, balance, circulation, emotional regulation, compassion without depletion. I've been eating a lot of green forward food lately, and that tells me the body's working through some heart level stuff. So this is also a bowl that you let sit. Don't rush it. Let the flavors marry. The longer it sits, the better it tastes. So, get in the kitchen and start cooking. Because once again, these are just simple ingredients, but does the body good.